At 2:45 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Teton Falls, or 7 miles northwest of Asbury Park, moving northeast at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to roofs, siding, trees, and power lines is possible. Locations impacted include Long Branch, Asbury Park, Sandy Hook, Middletown, Powell, Marlboro, Teton Falls, Holdall, Red Bank, Keensburg, Highlands, Farmingdale, East Freehold, West Freehold, Adelphia, Elbaron, Novesink, Collingwood Park, Lincroft, and Allenwood. This includes the following highways: Interstate 195 in New Jersey between mile markers 31 and 34. Garden State Parkway between mile markers 97 and 116. Protecting yourself from immediate threats to life and safety shall take priority. Whenever possible, as long as it does not cause greater harm, all COVID-19 protective action guidance should be followed. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 3:15 p.m. for the following county: Monmouth, New Jersey,